air fryer hamburger patties. So we're just gonna make up some hamburger patties to throw in the air fryer and cook really quickly. So we've got some ground beef, some Worcestershire sauce, and this just gives it a little bit of extra flavor, some garlic powder, garlic salt, and salt and pepper to taste. And we're just gonna work that all together by hand until it's well blended. And once combined, we are going to form 4 patties and place them on a prepared air fryer basket. And then we're gonna place it in the air fryer and air fry for about 6 minutes, and then we'll flip them over to finish cooking. Okay, so after about 6 minutes, we are going to pull these out and flip them over. And then put them back in for another 3 to 5 minutes or until done. Okay, when these are done, we are just going to pull them out. And you can place these on a hamburger bun and top them with your favorite toppings, or on a bed of lettuce, or however you would normally enjoy a hamburger patty.